Hi, very good morning. So we have Mr. Bajrangi, who is the General Manager IT for the Bank of Maharashtra, and we are very pleased to have you in our summit. And firstly, welcome on board for the India Banking Summit, the seventh annual summit of Synix Group. And I would like to have a very fast, quick question and answer round with you, just to understand your feedback and your experience with our summit today. So, how was your overall experience with the ceremony today?
Experience were very good. Basically, the topic that was being discussed in this summit was related with digitization and what is the way forward. So it is relevant if you see the Indian economy, which is growing at a bigger pace, and more than banking economy, it is digitization which is growing. And every time, if you see the UPI piece, every year number of transactions are growing double. It is getting double. So it is very, very relevant how we are mitigating the compliances piece as part of this digitization, how we are taking care of customer UX. All these things are very, very important, which is relevant. And customers are onboarding on digital platform until unless they are not feeling confident of using that. So all these things are very, very important and relevant in today's world.
That's really great to hear. And so, how was the audience feedback towards your session? How was their reaction? I would like to understand that as well.
Reaction was also good, and they have raised one audience has raised one question which is relevant. They were trying to understand whether there are two type of categories of banks. One is coming from brick and mortar type of side, and other are new generation banks. Ultimately, they want to see whatever digital drive is moving, whether it is going to be taken from whatever brick and mortar, where the space is, whether both are merging together. Ultimately, it is customer experience which is driving. Definitely, both are required to merge.
Yes.
Ultimately, customer is the king.
Customer is the king, whether it's a digitization or the bank or whether it's a physical bank. It all depends on them. That's really nice to hear. And lastly, also, I would like to understand your opinion. Like, how do you see India's journey in the banking industry in near to the future?
Banking industries will undergo a lot of changes. When we are talking about digitization, the pace with which it is moving, we are going to go towards everything digital, and perhaps it may happen branch banking may become customer points. As of now, branch banking means customers are coming, they are doing their services. Ultimate aim is branches should help customer to onboard themselves, handle their grievances, handle their issues, and enable customer to do the transaction by themselves. That is the way we are thinking.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time and your presence in our summit. We are very pleased to have you in this summit, and we definitely want to see you with us in our upcoming future summits as well. Thank you for your time.
Thanks. Thank